welcome back to my channel. My name is Devota. If this is your first time stepping in, you're welcome, guys. I am so happy to have new people check out my videos every day, and I am super humbled. You really want to hit the subscribe button. So your girl just finished this look. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Leave the comments on the comment section below. I really cannot wait to connect with you guys on all my social media platforms, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So I'm gonna start with my foundation, and I feel like I want to try a new foundation. And this is because my entire life I've been using this Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 360, and I feel like it's a little bit light for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the Revlon to see if it matches my skin tone, whatever. This is the foundation right here. Okay, so can you guys see that? And let me do the let me try on the 360, or this is 362 actually. Let's see how it looks like. So you guys can tell this one is lighter than this, so I think I should be using this one. So first I'm gonna start with the Forever 52 Mist and Fix, and I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. Honestly, when I was packing my stuffs, I really forgot my face primer, so I'm just gonna work with what I have today. I also don't have concealers. I forgot to pack them in, so I'm gonna use foundation instead of concealer where I need to use concealer. Like I'm wearing no foundation at all, completely. Now I'm gonna go in with a lighter foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay foundation in shade 356, and I'm gonna use this to lighten underneath my eyes and every part of my face that I really want to lighten. So this will work instead of concealer. So this actually dries super quick, you guys, so you really have to like blend the moment you just put that on. When I'm actually, here's the trick, you guys, when I'm actually contouring my face, I like to make sure I get like a triangular, an upside down triangular shape. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 375 Java. So I really want to highlight my face more, so I'm going to use the Matte Poreless Maybelline foundation in the shade 330. Now that I'm done with my face, we are going to bake. So I really forgot my banana powder, so this is the trick I'm using whatever I have. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty. It's an eyeshadow palette that comes with a Lash, with an eyeshadow, and with, I'm thinking this was contour. So to contour my face, I'm going to use the Mini Star Mini Contour Palette. Now that we are done with my face, we are going to start with my eyebrows and then the eyeshadow, and then that's it. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with the MAC eyebrow pencil in brown. I'm gonna go over with the brush, the eyebrow brush, and comb that. So like I said earlier, since we don't have a concealer, so I'm gonna use foundation for everything, literally everything. I'm using the shade 356 to clean out my brows. Now I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow. So I'm just thinking, why not a blue smoky eye? So, but I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna go in with this as a transition color. So you guys know I like to lighten my, underneath my eyebrows with the Anastasia Glow Kit. So this is what I do. I'm gonna go in with the transition color again. I just want to blend everything out. So the inner corner of the eyes, I'm gonna go in with, which one should I go in with? I'm thinking the crushed pearl, the crushed pearl. So guys, for my eyeliner, I'm trying out this new eyeliner. What's it called? It's called the Accurate Smooth Eyeliner. So normally before I go do my eyelash extension, I normally love to go with the Maybelline mascara. Just go over my natural lashes. I'm thinking maybe red, but because there's too much drama in the eyes, then I'm going to go with a gloss, a nude gloss. So what do you guys think? So before I do my lips, I'm going to use this Lash up. So I'm going to mix this and the dark pink, and I'm just going to go over my contour. I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going in with the shade Mimosa, just to, you know. So for my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon lip gloss and what is this? ADS lip liner. I like to use the back of the lip liner to blend this hash lines. So you guys know I'm terrible at installing wigs, the lace front wigs, because I really just put it on. You guys could see the lace, no glue, no nothing. I'm terrible.